talk about power challenge on Mars. If we want to rely our settlement on solar power alone, there is quite a lot of demand for both life support, production of food, or propellant production. At the very bare minimum, you would need something like 300,000 square meters of solar panel, and that's like 3,000 tons or plus 300 tons of batteries. And that would work, of course, but you would need something else to back up your solar power. Opportunity worked for 14 years on solar power backed by battery, but one day the solar storm was just too big and it was not enough. Now imagine the same fate for the colony that you don't want to happen. Nuclear is really the only other available option on another planet that has no fossil fuel or wind power or any other sources of energy. You can use different scale for different type of solutions. RTG, radioactive isotope generators, can support your communication system indefinitely, and they will not rely on solar power during the dust storms. A small-scale microreactor like Kilopower from NASA can provide enough energy to recharge your batteries during the low power conditions or blackouts or support your environmental support system. They don't also have a lot of mass to transfer, so from 100 kilograms to a few tons at most. Of course, they would need nuclear fuel and all the regulatory approvals, but that happens on Earth. And if we go on the higher end, we can also rely on our nuclear reactors for industrial needs. Small modular reactors have from 5 to 300 megawatt electric power that can cover all our base needs and provide a robust base for a Martian colony in the foreseeable future. You would need to find uranium on Mars to make them work indefinitely, but the good news, there is uranium on Mars somewhere.